Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the best settings for iPhone Pro and Pro Max cameras. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go into settings and now scroll down and go into camera. Now click on formats. Now in here you have two options, high efficiency and most compatible. Choosing high efficiency makes higher quality, but it is least compatible. But for the best photos, choose high efficiency. Now under these settings, make sure to toggle on Pro RAW and resolution control. Now go into Pro default, and now in here make sure to choose Pro RAW Max. This is the highest version. Just make sure that this takes up a lot of space, so it will take up your storage really quickly. Now go back to the formats tab and now click on preserve settings. Now in here make sure to turn on macro control, or you can make sure to toggle all of these off so you have a fresh camera whenever you open it. Now go back to the main camera settings, and now in here make sure that macro control is toggled on. Also make sure to toggle off prioritize faster shooting. Also make sure to turn on lens correction. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.